Iawn ta, Matt.
Yeah.
Wyt ti'n licio geifr? Do you like goats? Would you like a song about a goat?
Why not?
Dych chi'n licio?
Angharad time, is
Mae
it?
gen I geifr.
Na.
Mae gen I afr.
They both own
We
goats.
both own one.
No way. Who owns a goat in
I have
2012? Don't worry.
Dwi
Mae gen I
erioed.
eirionwy. Beth yw enw dy rai di?
Mostyn
Ie.
a Tegwyn.
Mostyn a Tegwyn ag Eirionwy.
Ie.
Again, who owns a goat in 2012?
We both have goats.
Pam nathach chi brynu? We're normal. Maen nhw'n od.
Why,
Maen nhw'n bwyta'r gwair.
Ydyn.
Maen nhw'n cadw'r gwair.
Maen nhw'n bwyta pop.
Dach chi'n
Ydyn.
godro nhw?
Na, bechgyn ydyn nhw.
Oh.
Diolch yn syniad da iawn.
They're boy goats.
No, I don't milk them.
I'm loving the goat shack, but I see that there's a
Let's
Angharad.
move on to the goat song.
The goat song. Did you write this song? No. Okay.
Well,
Lyfe.
perffaith.
What a way to finish the series. Huh?
You were going to be so proud to be Welsh pan ti'n clywed y geiriau.
I'm always proud to be Welsh, despite goat songs. Come on.
Iawn.
Rock and roll.
Oes Gafr Eto.
Gafr Eto. Oh, that's the song. Oes
Yeah.
Gafr Eto.
Yeah. Is there another goat? Oes heb ei godro.
Yes. Not milked yet.
Ar y creigiau geirwan. Have a go at that.
Ar y creigiau geirwan.
Yeah,
What does that
on
mean?
the rough rocks.
On the rough rocks.
Mae'r hen afr yn crwydro.
Mae hen afn yn croedro.
Mae'r hen afr.
Afr. Mae hen afr yn croedro.
Yeah, the old goat is wandering.
Oh, the old goat.
And then, da ni'n siarad am liwiau, colours, iawn? So, pa fath o afr? What kind of goat? Well, gafr, when.
The white. That goat.
Yeah.
The white goat.
Ia, finwen.
Finwen.
Literally, a white
White lip.
White lip.
Okay.
Foel gynfonwen.
Foel gyfonwen. What does that mean?
A bald white tail.
Who wrote this song?
Dwi ddim yn siŵr. Ystlys wenach am ffon. Wen. Iawn, so
Wen.
a white side or flank.
Frank.
A chynffon and a white tail.
Oh, wow. This is a good song.
You need to sing this on This Morning for the nation.
Yeah, I think they don't need to see this. This
Nah.
is our secret. Come on
Right,
then.
te.
You go first. I
Dach
don't
chi'n
know the
barod?
tune yet.
Iawn.
I don't know the tune, so you do the
I'm
tune.
not sure of the tune.
Nawn ni neud o eto.
You know the
Gynta. OK,
Ti'n
right.
methu
Un,
Ram fi mi.
2, 3. Oes Gafr Eto, oes heb ei godro, ar y creigiau geirwan mae'r hen afr yn crwydro.
Afr yn croedro.
Gafr,
Wen.
ie, finwen, foel gyponwen, ystlys wenach am ffon, wen. And then you go, yeah, coch, ie, fingoch.
And you go through all of the colours.
Great!
Oh, that's
It's a
amazing.
right laugh.
Ti'n barod?
Okay.
Chi'n barod ferched?
Fine.
Dim really.
Iawn, 1, 2, 3.
Oes Gafr Eto,
oes heb ei godro, ar y creigiau geirwan mae'r hen afr yn
Oh, that goes straight croedro. Okay. I like this bit.
Gafr,
Wen.
ie, finwen,
What you doing?
foel gyfonwen, ystlys wenach am ffon, wen.
That was perfect. you were going to go for the second verse then. Go. You're now known to me as the goat ladies. Thank you very much. Ladies of the goat. I am. Diolch yn fawr.
Diolch yn fawr i chi.
That was fantastically awful. It may seem a bit childish, but this is how I learn and practice Welsh. I will go home and ymarfer, along with you guys, watching Q between 7 and 8 in the morning and following their Twitter feed, which is @TVQ.
AQ.
@TVAQ. Boosh.
Yeah.
Nesa?
Reit te. Nesa, sôn am ymarfer. Os ydych chi eisiau ymarfer eich Cymraeg yr wythnos hon, dyma lle allwch chi fynd i fwynhau.